Okay, I hacked into the bird's account.
Yes. The bird.
And the bird is
Where did you
playing
go?
Mobile
Oh.
Legends.
Yes. Let's go.
So,
Choose your trinkets.
choose my triggers.
I was using Roger, so I used
think
those.
I'm gonna
I have
use
I have
blue
I have
bandana.
things saved up. It has dog plushie because every tune is so slow.
Oh. Use pink bow if you're using a slow tune.
No, I'm using a fast blue.
Oh, okay. Come here. You need extract. What's cold stat again? Show me cold stat. Yo, what isn't that flutter? That's basically flutter stat.
Okay. Wait.
Who is this?
I'm so fast. Look at me.
There's
There we go. Let's go. I'm just emo. An emo dog. I'm an emo dog.
It's a girl.
I am the emo dog.
Yes. You are she emo dog. Mineta.
Yes, we are eating mineta right there. But what is this? Please, no.
Yo, why is the screen so bright?
Mine is because it does fine.
Guys, use Mia for if you're a beginner because she's so fast.
Okay.
In early game and late game, bro, you're dead.
Yep, I forgot to the recording.
Oh, yeah. I'm recording.
Sigma. Yay!
Oh, you found out the record?
Yes. Okay. We are recording.
Mikasa.
Mikasa. No.
Mikasa.
You are noodle, Mikasa. Items! I'm gonna take this capsule.
They're killing me, guys. Brighten!
Bright?
Evil Brighten, guys. Evil Brighten.
Yo, I can't see.
Why
Let
is
me
the
higher up
brightness
the
so
voice.
low? I'm so
Wait,
dead.
you want me to shut down? Bro!